The str replace is a built-in function in PHP and is used to replace all the occurrences of the search string or array of search strings by replacement string or array of replacement strings in the given string or array respectively. This function accepts 4 parameters, out of which 3 are mandatory and 1 is optional. Str replace parameter search val. This parameter can be of both string and array types. This parameter specifies the string to be searched and replaced. Parameter replace val. This parameter can be of both string and array types. This parameter specifies the string with which we want to replace the parameter search val string. Parameter subject val. This parameter can be of both string and array types. This parameter specifies the string or array of strings which we want to search for parameter search val and replace with parameter replace val. Parameter count. This parameter is optional and if passed, its value will be set to the total number of replacement operations performed on the string parameter subject val. If the parameter search val and the parameter replace val arguments are arrays, then all the elements of the parameter search val argument are searched in the parameter subject val string and replaced by the corresponding elements in the parameter replace val argument. If the number of elements in parameter replace val is less than that in parameter search val array, then if there are any occurrences of the additional elements of parameter search val argument in the parameter subject val argument, then they will be replaced by an empty string. If the parameter subject val parameter is also an array instead of string, then all of the elements of parameter subject val will be searched. Return value. This function returns a string or an array based on the parameter subject val parameter with replaced values. In this example, every occurrence of you is replaced with him. In this example, since both the arguments are arrays, therefore, every element from the first argument is replaced with the corresponding element from the second argument as explained. In this example, let's imagine we are working in a school district and need to create a web page for the students' parents. The web page has an introduction string that we need to customize depending on if the student is male or female. With str replace, this is mighty easy. The key thing to understand with this technique is that you're creating 3 arrays that will be used to swap values. The first item in placeholders will be replaced by the first item in the replacement values, the second item in placeholders replaced with the second in the replacement values, and so on and so forth.
Thank you for watching till the end. Please consider encouraging us by subscribing to our channel. In order to show your support, don't forget to like and share the video.